Hello.
Amazon started developing the Echo in early 2010 as an attempt to expand the company's portfolio beyond the Kindle. After the release and flop of the Amazon Fire Phone in the summer of 2014, Amazon needed to bounce back with an impressive product fast. The Amazon Echo was first released to Amazon Prime members on November 14th, 2014, at a price of $179.99. On June 23rd, 2015, it was released to the general public. Since then, Amazon has sold over 3 million Echoes. The Amazon Echo is not just your ordinary speaker. This Wi-Fi enabled cylinder, standing 9.25 inches tall, with a 2.5-inch and 2.0-inch woofer and tweeter respectively, as well as 7 microphones, is more like a personal assistant. It is backed by an AI platform named Alexa, which allows it to answer questions and obey commands. Alexa is a cloud-based system, so it is constantly evolving and improving. Whatever question or command given, the Echo will have a quick response with a latency of 1.5 seconds. The speaker provides 360-degree sound, which allows it to disperse audio throughout the room. The Amazon Echo in default mode continuously listens to speech, waiting for its wake word, which can be set to Alexa, Echo, or Amazon. The user may also use a voice command remote in lieu of the wake word purchasable on Amazon. Once it is called, the top of the device lights up blue with a darker shade of blue pointed towards the direction the command was made. Once the command or question is given, it gets sent to Alexa, the brain behind the Echo, which is a cloud-based system. From there, the command is processed by the AI system and spit out in a response under 2 seconds. Since the operating system is cloud-based, Echo is always evolving and adapting to the user's speech patterns. Possibly the Echo's most interesting aspect is its skills. The Echo has over 1,400 skills that can be downloaded using the Alexa app for your smartphone. Some of the most popular skills are ordering from Uber, Domino's, and streaming music from Spotify. Once you equipped Alexa with the Uber skill, you can say, "Alexa, order me an Uber," making it easier and less time-consuming to call an Uber. Amazon has almost every skill you can think of available for download. However, if you do not see a skill you want, Amazon allows you to create it through their website. Alexa, tell Uber to get me a car.
There is an UberX about 9 minutes away from 7 Club Lane. Would you like me to order it?
Yes.
Requesting your ride.
Everyone can use the Echo. Homeowners have the ability to make their homes smarter. New technology allows the Echo to connect to the lights, the thermostat, and the television in order to operate them through voice commands spoken to the Echo. Children can utilize features such as Simon Says, corny jokes, and request their favorite songs. Students can ask the Echo about certain topics, and the Echo will provide excerpts from Wikipedia or a calculation for math homework. Users can have the Echo read them an audiobook, keep track of their daily events through Google Calendar connectivity, and ask Alexa for a good place to take the family out to dinner. I purchased the Echo for my family. Everyone in the family has made use of the various skills to make daily life easier. My dad had the Echo play a melody of Frank Sinatra while cooking breakfast on Saturday morning. My mom used the Echo to reorder protein powder for her shakes through Amazon One Click, and my brother used it to check the sports scores for baseball. Alexa, what's the square root of 64?
The square root of 64 is 8.
One of the most important issues with the Amazon Echo is the issue of privacy. The Echo in rest mode is constantly listening to the conversations going on around it, waiting for its wake word. If the customers do not want for Alexa to be able to hear them, they can select the mute microphone button on the top of the device, and a red ring will appear signaling the microphone has been muted. Another issue with the Echo is that it is not a mobile device. The Echo has to be plugged into the outlet at all times. Compared to other voice assistants such as Siri and Cortana, which are built into mobile phones, Alexa seems to be flawed in this regard. However, Amazon has recently released a smaller portable version of the Echo called the Dot. Now Alexa users can access her from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity. The release of the Echo put Amazon on a completely different playing field than their competitors. This screenless device is the first and only of its kind, providing customers a look of the near future. One of the biggest things Amazon has done with the Echo is pulling customers towards Amazon and their products, which in turn allows them to become a bigger name in online shopping. Also, users can order items directly from the Echo, eliminating the possibility to price shop around on other sites. Another positive the Echo has brought Amazon is promoting human-machine interaction in a household setting. This allows Amazon to have their customers become more comfortable with talking to a machine while also opening up the possibility for advancements in the Echo and products similar in the future. Amazon's Senior Vice President David Limp is quoted saying, "At Amazon, we believe the next big platform is voice. What we are trying to do is build a computer in the cloud that's completely controlled by your voice." As Amazon moves forward, they will continue to create skills and advancements to the Echo product. We believe they will continue to dominate the voice market and also make a move towards eliminating modern-day computers and replacing them with devices like the Echo.